What's up, guys? It's Evan here. Hope you guys are all having a great day. So my sponsor sent me a pair of shoes. Just a kickflip. Anyways, so I ordered a pair of shoes online. I'm obviously not sponsored, but I like the brand, so I buy their stuff. So I have an Airsoft gun, which is this. It's like a gun. It's kind of like a BB gun, except it's like a little less hard, I guess. And I'm gonna shoot a box just for fun. I know that yesterday's video was an fake unboxing video. You see there's all my crap there still from the video yesterday. But this is just for fun. I just kind of want to shoot a box, and yeah, let's go. I would say we got some pretty good damage. We got right there, and we got right there, and down there. So we are going to try some more, because we're gonna try and completely open the box with the airsoft gun. So let's go. So I think that this box has had enough damage, so we're just gonna put it out of its misery. Got it. Okay, let's open this box. So I have a bunch of airsoft BBs in here, just because yeah. Alright, here is the invoice. If you want to know where I live, then right here you can tell. See? Okay, so there is a little bit of damage on the box, just right here. That's because I punched it, and there's a bunch of BBs inside of this box. Alright, box, get out of here. Okay, now let's open the box. So you open it, and then you open it, and there's shoes in here. Wow, I bet you guys have never seen this before. And there's extra laces, that's always nice. And then there's another shoe right here. Like, this is crazy, I know. You guys have never seen this before, but it's a shoe. So, as you guys can tell from the video title, this is a Vans Old School Pro unboxing. So these are the Pro shoes, and normally people who skateboard get the Pros, but I can't skateboard right now because I still have physical therapy and stuff. So in 3 months, when I'm allowed to skateboard, I will skateboard, and I will tell you guys how these shoes hold up. So I know you guys have probably seen like on shoe reviews, and those are from the style people who like don't even skateboard, they just like the Vans for their style, and I can't blame them. The Vans look really good, but I'm not gonna do an on shoe review. I'm not gonna show you how they look on my feet, because I know you guys probably don't care. So maybe I'll show you them on my feet. I'll show you them on my feet, you know, because for all these people with the foot fetish, like, I got you. So before I put these on my feet, I'm going to tell you some of the differences between the Old School and the Old School Pro. So the Old School Pro has something called a DuraCap. It says it right here. You guys cannot see that. Let me brighten this up. So it has something called a DuraCap right there, and what that is it's like extra rubber around the shoes outside, and it's also got rubber inside just to make it last longer. And another thing that's different, it has a DuraCup or Ultra Cush insole, and that's just the insole that comes in it, and the regular Vans do not have this. So if you're skateboarding, then I advise you get the regular Old School Pros and not just the Old Schools, because those will not last you nearly as long as these. So let me show you these on my feet. Alright, so I laced the shoes up and put them on my feet, and they look good. They feel good. They feel a little bit narrow, so if you have super wide feet, then I would not recommend you get these. I recommend you get them in like the wide sizes. But they look good, they feel good, and yeah, I would recommend these to anyone. if you're a skateboarder or not. If you are not a skateboarder, get the old schools, and if you are a skateboarder, get the old school pros. Because if you get the old school pros and you don't skateboard, then you just wasted $5. But anyways, yeah. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I definitely enjoyed making it. I really like these shoes. And yeah, they're cool, they're nice, and they are Vans, and Vans are cool, and Vans is a skateboarding company, and they aren't Adidas, who is a non-skateboarding company. So if you want to rep a skateboarder owned company, then rep Vans. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, and leave a subscribe. Comment down in the comment sections in order to get a shout out on my channel. I'm not doing it today because I posted that video on Monday and I'm making this video on Saturday. It's really confusing. YouTube's crazy, man. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. And leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe, and come back tomorrow at 3:30 for a new video. Peace out.